Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your name in Zara app. Whether you have updated your profile or just need to correct a mistake, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Zara app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now on your main screen, you can see account icon in bottom right corner. Tap on it. This will take you to the profile and account setting. Now you can see profile on your screen. Tap on it. Here you can see your name, addresses, email and password. Tap on addresses and here's your address. Tap on it. Now you can change your name from here. Write your name. Then tap on save. And that's how you change your name in Zara app. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next one.